In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to stream Amazon Prime on Discord. Let's get started. First, launch your Discord app, then navigate to this settings icon. Now head over to the option Appearance. Under that, you're going to find different option. Click on the option Advanced. Now here you're going to find this option Enable Hardware Acceleration. Disable for this option. Click on the option Change and Restart. Next, open your browser like Chrome since there is where you will be playing Amazon Prime Video. Now click on three dots, select the option Settings. Now head over to the option System. Here you're gonna find this option, Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Disable for this option. Once that's done, go ahead and open Amazon Prime Video in your browser and start playing any show or movie. Then switch back to Discord. Join a voice channel and click on Share Your Screen. Make sure you select the browser application, not the entire screen, and choose the tab where your Prime Video is playing. And that's it. This is how you can easily stream Amazon Prime on Discord. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.